Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix an error occur YouTube account. With that being said, let's get started. Firstly, you need to clear cache file of your phone. Nowadays, every phone has a own default cleaner, so make sure you open that cleaner on your phone. If you haven't any cleaner on your phone, then you can download from Google Play Store. And once you open that app, you have to clean all the junk file you are holding on your phone. Once you done that, I hope this method work. If not, try next method. Next method is all about clearing cache data of YouTube. So to clear cache data of YouTube, you need to tap and hold YouTube for a second, and you will see option called F info. Tap on it, and now from there you will see at the bottom you will see a option called clear data. Tap on it and select both option and tap on OK. Once you done that, you have to check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then you must try out solution number 3. So solution number 3 is also about clearing cache data of YouTube Studio. So you need to again follow the same step as I mentioned earlier, and after that you have to clear cache data of YouTube Studio. If clearing cache data doesn't work for you, then you have to try updating your YouTube app. To update your YouTube app, open Play Store and search YouTube on the search bar. From there, you will able to update your YouTube app. And lastly, you have to restart your phone. To restart your phone, hold your power key, and from there you will see option reboot or restart. Tap on it and your phone will get restart. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.